Have you just received your CBSE results and feel that your marks are lower than expected? Are you wondering whether there was a totaling mistake, an unchecked answer, or whether your answer deserves more marks? If yes, then this video is for you. In this complete guide, I'll explain the entire CBSE post-result process, including verification of marks, obtaining a photocopy of your answer book, and re-evaluation. I'll also show you who is eligible, important deadlines, fees, and the exact steps you need to follow. Make sure you watch until the end, because missing even one application window could mean losing your chance to challenge your result. Let's begin. Before applying, it is important to understand the difference between verification, photocopy, and re-evaluation. Verification of marks verification is the first stage. Here, CBSE checks whether all answers were evaluated, marks were correctly totaled, marks were transferred correctly from the answer sheet to the final result. Remember, verification does not mean your answers are marked again. CBSE only checks for technical errors. Photocopy of answer book. The second option is obtaining a scanned copy of your evaluated answer sheet. This gives you transparency. You can see which answers were checked marks awarded for each answer. Any possible mistakes made during evaluation. This step is extremely important because it allows you to identify specific questions that may deserve re-evaluation. Re-evaluation. This is the final stage. Here, eligible answers are remarked by CBSE. However, re-evaluation is allowed only after obtaining the photocopy of your answer sheet. Marks may increase-decrease. Remain unchanged. The revised result becomes final. Now let's talk about eligibility. CBSE students of Class 10 and Class 12 who have received their results can apply for these services. However, there is an important sequence: verification of marks photocopy of evaluated answer book. Re-evaluation. You cannot skip the process. Each stage has its own application window. These windows remain open only for a short period after the declaration of results. Therefore, students and parents should regularly check official CBSE notifications. Missing one deadline may prevent you from proceeding to the next stage. Before applying, keep these key rules in mind. Rule 1. Apply only through the official CBSE portal. All applications must be submitted online through CBSE's official platform. Rule 2. Fees are non-refundable. Once payment is made, it will not be returned under any circumstances. Rule 3. Marks can go up or down. Many students assume marks can only increase. That is not true. After re-evaluation, marks may increase-decrease. Stay the same rule for final decision. After re-evaluation, the result becomes final. No further appeal is allowed. Let's now go through the verification process step by step. Step 1. Access the CBSE portal. Visit the official CBSE Result Services portal during the verification application period. Step 2. Enter your details. Provide roll number, school number admit card, ID. Other required credentials. Select the subjects for which you want verification. Review all details carefully. Step 3. Pay the fee. The verification fee is charged per subject. Complete the payment through the available online methods. Always save. Payment receipt. Application acknowledgement. Step 4. Track your application. After submission, you'll receive an application reference number. Use this reference to track the status of your application. For verification, you typically need roll number school, number admit card, ID registered, mobile number registered email address. Fees are charged subject-wise and vary according to CBSE notifications. Applications are accepted only during the official verification window. After processing, CBSE updates the result if any discrepancy is found. There are two possible outcomes. Outcome 1, marks change. If CBSE finds totaling errors, unchecked answers, transfer mistakes, your marks will be revised. The updated marks will appear in your official record. Outcome 2, no change. If no error is found, your marks remain the same. In this case, if you still have concerns, you may proceed to the next stage and apply for a photocopy of your evaluated answer sheet. The photocopy stage gives students a detailed view of their evaluated answer scripts. Step 1. Submit application log into the CBSE portal. Choose the subjects for which you want the scanned copy. Verify all details carefully. Step 2. Pay the required fee. Complete online payment. Keep the payment acknowledgement safe. Step 3. Download the answer script. Once CBSE processes the request, you can download the scanned copy from the portal. Step 4. Review carefully. Examine every answer. Look for undermarked responses, missing marks, evaluation inconsistencies. Take notes because these observations will help if you decide to apply for re-evaluation. To apply, you'll need roll number, school credentials, admit card, ID, internet access. The answer book is usually delivered as a PDF through the CBSE portal. The photocopy serves an important purpose. It is the basis for identifying questions that may qualify for re-evaluation. Without it, re-evaluation is generally not possible. Now let's discuss re-evaluation. Before applying, you must have obtained the photocopy. The subject must be eligible for re-evaluation. The application must be submitted during the official CBSE window. Students must identify specific question numbers that they believe deserve remarking. General requests are not accepted. Only the selected questions will be reviewed. Step 1. Log in. Access the CBSE portal during the re-evaluation period. Step 2. Select subject. Choose the subject you want re-evaluated. Step 3. Identify questions. Review your photocopy carefully. Select the exact question numbers you want remarked. Step 4. Submit application. Confirm all selections. Provide any required details. Step 5. Pay the fee. Pay the applicable fee online. After successful submission, you'll receive a reference number. Step 6. Track progress. Use your reference number to monitor the application status until CBSE publishes the final result. After re-evaluation, marks may increase. If additional marks are justified, marks may decrease. If the re-evaluator finds the original marking was generous, marks may remain unchanged. If the original evaluation was accurate, whatever the outcome, the revised marks become part of your official record and are considered final. Choose verification. If you suspect totaling mistakes, unchecked answers, transfer errors, choose photocopy. If you want transparency and wish to inspect the evaluated answer sheet yourself, choose re-evaluation. If, after reviewing the photocopy, you find specific answers that deserve additional marks, always remember that re-evaluation carries the possibility of both an increase and a decrease in marks. Many students lose their opportunity because of avoidable mistakes. Avoid these errors. Missing deadlines. Application windows are very short. Entering wrong details. Double-check roll number, admit card, ID subject selection, losing receipts, save payment acknowledgements, application references, download confirmations, not tracking, updates. Keep checking the portal for status updates and notifications. If you need assistance, rely only on official sources. CBSE official website. 4. Application links, circulars, notifications deadlines, CBSE regional offices for jurisdiction-specific support, school examination office. For help with credentials and procedural guidance, always verify information from official CBSE channels before making any decision. Let's quickly recap. The CBSE post-result review process follows 3 stages. First, verification of marks. Second, obtaining a photocopy of the evaluated answer book. Third, re-evaluation of specific answers. Each stage has separate deadlines, eligibility requirements, and fees. Remember, apply within the official window. Keep all receipts and references. Review your answer script carefully. Follow official CBSE notifications. If this guide helped you understand the CBSE verification and re-evaluation process, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more educational updates. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best with your results and future studies. See you in the next video.